হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, আপনারা দেখছেন আমার চ্যানেল টেকনিক্যাল রিপন। আজ আমি আপনাদের সামনে কিছু স্মার্ট লকের ভিডিও নিয়ে হাজির হয়েছি। স্মার্ট লকগুলো কোথা থেকে আপনারা কিনতে পারবেন এবং সেই সম্বন্ধে বিস্তারিত জানতে চাইলে আমার এই ভিডিওর ডিসক্রিপশন বক্সে তা দেওয়া থাকবে। সেখান থেকে আপনারা তার সম্বন্ধে ধারণা নিতে পারবেন এবং কোথা থেকে কিনতে পারবেন তার লিঙ্ক সহ দেওয়া থাকবে। আমার এই ভিডিওটি দেখতে থাকুন, ভালো লাগবে।
If you're anything like us, you know there's no replacing that rush of energy you get from riding your bike in an urban environment. It's fast, fun, and healthy. There's nothing quite like it. We have a vision how to make it much more fun and easier for urban cyclists to use and lock their bikes. This vision is called CityLock. Is a comfortable bicycle saddle that easily transforms into a foldable, tough lock.
Anybody with a bike can use the CityLock and turn the CityLock from saddle into lock. It takes less than 30 seconds.
Just remove the saddle, open it to a 1 meter long sturdy chain, and lock it to any fixed object. The result, a safe, easy to use, highly comfortable solid lock. Unlocking and reinstalling the saddle is equally easy. CityLock is designed to be a solid, sturdy lock. It's made out of 6 hardened steel links that are overmolded with plastic to protect your frame from scratches. The cylinder is secured in hardened steel housing, which is protected against drilling. And the adapter is made out of high-quality aluminum with extra stiffness and lightweight.
The CityLock adapter is compatible with e-bike, city bike, folding bike, mountain bike, or any other bike you might find in the market.
CityLock installation is as easy as replacing your bike saddle. And once installed, CityLock is fully adjustable. CityLock is available in 2 different models, carefully chosen to fit the widest demand: CityLock Tracking and CityLock Comfort. Each model comes in a variety of designs, styles, and colors. CityLock is a truly remarkable product.
A bike lock is a tiny item, but it's also...
eZlock is the first foldable bike lock with fingerprint unlock as well as a smartphone keyless entry for your bike. You are the key to the next tree. And anti-drilling components, providing the security of an eZlock with the flexibility of a chain. The 98 cm unfolding length enables a wider protective range. Even cargo e-bike or fat-tired bike can be locked easily. The compact design makes eZlock easily folded and carried in the portable lock case or your bag. The rubber surface coating also protects your bike's paint job. It uses an always-on Bluetooth connection with your phone, so your bike can be locked and unlocked with only the tap of a button. eZlock is equipped with a sensitive motion sensor. It can detect any unauthorized actions and alert you right away. You can always keep an eye on your bike just like you are next to it, even if you are 100 meters away.
Hey man! eZlock!
You can share a temporary code with someone, allowing your friend or family to use your bike or lock by their smartphone. eZlock is embedded with an efficient lithium battery and low power consumption components, supporting long-lasting protection up to 3 months. When the battery runs out, you can still unlock it with a spare key.
SkyLock. Sure, it looks like a typical U-lock. Yes, you use it to lock up your bike, and yes, it's as strong as any lock on the market, but SkyLock is a lot more. You know what keyless entry is, right? Like when someone unlocks their car just by walking up to it? Well, SkyLock is keyless entry for your bike. It uses always-on Bluetooth LE to connect to your phone so you can lock and unlock your bike with the tap of a button. And thanks to SkyLock's solar panel, its battery never runs out. Ordinarily, I wouldn't leave my bike unattended for even an hour, but SkyLock isn't ordinary. It is a built-in anti-theft feature. I just log SkyLock into my local Wi-Fi network, and it sends me an alert if anything or anyone disturbs my bike. SkyLock uses its built-in accelerometer to monitor all movement when you're not around. And you can adjust the sensitivity to make sure there's an actual threat. You don't even need to tap a button to unlock SkyLock. You can set it to use your proximity to unlock. Or if you don't have your phone, just enter a code using the capacitive touchpad. Let's talk safety. SkyLock knows when you've been in an accident, and will check to make sure you're okay. If you're not okay, it'll alert the authorities. Help is on the way. Your bike can be out getting use even when you're not riding it, because SkyLock makes bike sharing super easy. You can give anyone with a smartphone access to your SkyLock, instantly, securely.
See you later, boo-boo.
থ্যাঙ্কস ফর ওয়াচিং মাই ভিডিও। ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকলে অবশ্যই লাইক, কমেন্ট অ্যান্ড শেয়ার করবেন। অ্যান্ড ডোন্ট ফরগেট টু সাবস্ক্রাইব।